I tried a 3D pen about a year ago, but I wanted to try some of the newer ones. So I found the Scribbler 3D pen. On Amazon, it was about $69 when I found it. I see now it's between $99 and $129. This is actually the third version of this particular pen. And you can see it looks like it's metal, but it's actually plastic, and it comes in several colors. But I found it to be quite nice and easy to hold. It comes with three things in the box: the pen, the power supply, and 3 rolls of PLA. And I noticed what I liked is that there were rolls of PLA, not sticks, like I had in another pen. The controls are quite simple. First, you load the PLA in the back, and you press the forward control to make it go. It's got a very clear LCD screen, and the controls are just 3 different pairs of buttons. Of course, the first is just to move the PLA back and forth, forward or back, and you do that with your thumb. It's pretty easy to find and pretty easy to control. It's also very quiet. The second control is for the speed, and it's got 6 different speeds. I found myself using the fastest speed. And the third control is the temperature. So you press the forward button and the PLA starts extruding pretty easily, and like I said, it's one of the most quiet machines I've used before. And of course, this is, with 3D pens, art, not science. You're not trying to create precision here. It's just to create things that look good, maybe trying to replicate something. And I found myself using it almost like a glue gun to make different parts stick together. That's a quite handy use for it. Now, when I use the pen, I mostly use it in layers, so you're printing out layers at a time, and that's how you get 3 dimensions. But I found I could also print vertically with some practice. It's not that easy, and it definitely takes a little bit of time to cool so that it stays in the vertical position. But it is fun to try, and it's probably one of the most impressive things you can do with this pen. But then I use the method that you're seeing here, which is what I call the mummy wrap, and it's basically just doing circles of plastic over and over again to create the different parts of the object. Here I'm creating a little dog, and you can see again, it's art. It's not science, so it doesn't come out perfect. But with a 3D pen, it's also fairly easy to change colors. I found with this pen in particular, it's pretty straightforward to extract the PLA from the back using the reverse motor and put a new color in. After the new color is loaded, there's a little bit left over from the prior color, so you end up with a lot of small pieces, but that's just an annoyance. I found almost nothing I didn't like about this pen. It only jammed once, and when I pulled out the one screw to open it up, it was incredibly easy to unjam. It's incredibly fast to heat up. It only took 30 seconds. It's fast to load. It's easy to change colors. It takes standard 1.75mm PLA, and it's very quiet. I definitely recommend this.